They look harmless, just a small piece of plastic in your wallet. But in reality, this tiny card controls millions of people's financial life. Credit cards are not just payment tools. They are designed like a trap. A trap that feels like freedom, but slowly takes your money, your peace, and your future. Today, you will understand exactly how banks become rich, while most people stay broke.
When you first get a credit card, it feels like free money. You swipe, you buy, you enjoy. No stress, no waiting, no real payment feeling. But here's the truth. It is not your money. It is borrowed money with hidden conditions. And most people don't realize one thing. Every swipe is recorded, and every dollar will come back with interest. That's where the trap begins, because spending feels easy, but paying back becomes painful. And banks know this psychology very well. Now, here is where things get dangerous. Let's say you spend $1,000. If you don't pay it full, the remaining balance starts growing. This is called interest. And interest doesn't sleep. It keeps growing every single day. Slowly, silently, like a snowball rolling downhill. That $1,000 can turn into $1,200, then $1,500, then more. And the worst part? Most people never escape it because they only pay the minimum amount. And that is exactly what banks want. Banks don't force you to pay full amount. They show you something called minimum payment. It looks helpful, but it is actually dangerous. Because when you only pay the minimum, you are not reducing debt. You are just delaying it. And during that delay, interest keeps building. So you end up paying 2 to 3 times more than what you actually spent. This is not a mistake. It is designed behavior. Because long-term debt means long-term profit for banks. Why do people overspend? Because credit cards remove the pain of paying. When you pay cash, you feel the loss. But when you swipe a card, it feels invisible. Your brain thinks, I am not losing money. So you spend more without thinking. Restaurants, shopping, online stores, everything becomes easier. And that ease is exactly the trap. Because banks don't make money when you save. They make money when you spend emotionally. Even if you manage your spending, one missed payment can cost you more. Late fees, penalty charges, higher interest rates, and sometimes your credit score drops. A lower credit score means higher loan costs, harder approvals, more financial pressure. So one small mistake turns into long-term damage. And again, the bank wins either way. Your credit card doesn't just affect your spending. It controls your financial identity. Your credit score decides, can you buy a house? Can you get a car loan? Can you rent an apartment? This means banks don't just lend money, they control your future opportunities. And the more dependent you are on credit, the more power they have over you. So what is the solution? Credit cards are not evil, but misuse is dangerous. To break the trap, pay full balance every month. Avoid emotional spending. Track every purchase. Use credit like a tool, not a lifestyle. Because the goal is simple. Don't let the system control you. You control the system. And when you understand this, the trap loses its power.